weather is really, really bad tonight, obviously. This is the Blizzard, February 2026, New York City. That's all right, baby. We work in any weather, you heard? Rain, cold, shine, doesn't matter. We do it. Let's get it. And then there's the big monster, the big bird trying to go out. That's the Emirates. That's the Emirates trying to go out, trying to do their thing. That's the big monster right there, baby. So, once you're outside, be careful outside, man. Doesn't matter if you're at the airport or in the streets. It's kind of messy, so be careful. Very, very careful. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. It's very bad. It's bad out here. It's bad. There's the big bird. Yep. Well, right now the blizzard didn't really officially maybe say it's about 30%, 40% on its way. The real mess is gonna happen about another, say, 4 to 5 hours from now, which should be roughly around, say, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. roughly in the morning. Estimated snowfall should be between 22 to 25 inches or more, but it's the wind gust that's gonna be the biggest factor. It's gonna be like 34 to 45 miles per hour wind. Some locations gonna be even stronger or more severe. So let me go outside and let me see if I could, one second, let me see what's going on. Yeah, and as you could see, it's even a bigger mess outside. Yeah, it's bad. Really bad. But we're here and we're doing it. Trying to get some nice positive content for you guys. Blizzard, February 2026. Today is actually the 22nd of February. Amsterdam, man, it's bad over there too. The weather is really bad in Europe as well. But for the most part, we're here. We're live action. Shane Stallings TV, baby. We're right here. We're doing it. So this should be the last flight of the night. They start canceling a lot of flights, so I think we have 2 more landings soon, and then that's it. Airport shut down. You know what I mean? Gotta take, safety first. So as soon as we get this big boy parked over there, we're gonna shut this baby down. That's it. Everybody stay where you are and stay safe. Shane Stallings TV, baby. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. This one is a short clip.